Go on the left side for me, please.
She gave me money when I'm in need.
Please. Thanks, Nick.
Oh, she's a gold digger.
But she ain't messing with no broke nigga.
Oh, I'm telling.
Yo, I'm black. It's okay.
I'm black.
You're not black.
Can't you tell by his white voice?
I don't sound white. Shut up.
What is up, my fellow black people?
Hello, brethren.
What up with thee?
Word to your mother.
Damn it.
Dunking is so hard.
Those bombs are going down, so we make sure we pick them up. They're down.
So black, much black.
Men in black.
3.
Many dark.
So good.
Many dark.
Kill the bellows.
Rupture going out.
It's on
Thank
the
you.
front.
Oh shit.
Oh yeah, Frank.
Oh
Placement.
yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Last.
Oh. Yeah.
Oh, they're in the defense. Okay, cool.
It doesn't affect the bellow operator.
Oh, the side's down already. Oh, we're on phase 2 already. Wow, that was quick. Kill the
Are we?
foreman.
Yeah.
Kill the foreman.
Where are we
The
starting at?
fury is broken free.
Skulls. Right side.
Right side skull.
Okay.
Calm down, Mickey Mouse.
Gotta kill this foreman.
Are you serious?
Damn it, Trey.
God damn it.
Yep, it's not DBM, man.
Well, that time it didn't warn me. The first one it did, so I'll give it that. I was staring at the other side looking to see how much damage.
Watch the
was done.
bombs.
Make sure if you're fixated, you get to that skull.
Are you there?
Grotto.
He's there.
Alright, am I getting fire callers and you're getting guards?
Yeah.
Works out better that way for you, doesn't it?
Bombs in melee.
This slag is about to die.
So is foreman. Kill foreman. Kill the slag. Kill the bitch.
Shields going down.
Save
Foreman
the
down.
cheerleader, save the world.
Yeah.
Shields down.
I just watched that. I started watching that shit.
I got like 2 seasons in and it just like stopped.
You should stop after 1.
Second season was okay.
Get that shield off. Trank shot or something.
Spell.
Thanks.
Make sure we're interrupting these.
We need another slag on it. If you're fixated, come over.
Kill these. Get these fire crawlers down, please. Vic, I think that's on.
Get the slag over here.
Scotter is.
You have 2 sets of
Get
fire
that slag
crawlers up.
over here. No, to the first one.
Wrong way, dark light.
Get to the skull.
Somebody has to interrupt it.
There we go.
There we go.
Jesus.
It's down.
Just in time.
Okay, who was that?
Dark light.
Alright, get to the next one. Whoever has that other elementalist on him.
Orknit.
Element.
I interrupted it.
Vic also has one.
Shield's about to go down. Shield's down. Watch these fire callers.
Make sure we're interrupting the fire.
Shield off. Thank you.
Kill it, kill it, kill it. Oh my
Ah, so close. I've got one on me.
Clear up some of these fire callers. Make sure we're dispelling that. Dispel that elementalist. He's gonna get the shield. Thank you.
Shield's down. She's dead. On to the next one.
Fire callers. Kill the fire callers.
You want to just take a sec to clear those up, or just go?
Take a second,
Take a
take a
second to
second.
clear up these, please. Move over to this side, guys. Okay, Elemental's about to go down. Get to
Shield's
the
down.
lock rocks if you need to, guys. Fire callers are up.
Seconds on shield.
It's okay. We're just gonna need one more. Kill these. Clear up these
Yeah,
fire
this
callers.
flag is almost down. But it's in the shield.
Oh my god, we just had it move. Who is that? The
I
shaman.
remember.
Shaman, get a little closer.
Vic, there's one on Vic. That's right there.
Shield's down.
Finish her off. Move the next elementals over to the elementalist. If you're fixated. Fire
Shield's
callers.
going down. Shield's going down.
Okay,
Shield's
kill
down.
this elementalist. Cooldowns, guys, if you have.
There are 2
What's the
fire
fire
callers
colors?
up.
Yeah.
Oh, what the fuck? Get Dino up. Can we get it? Okay, just keep going, guys.
You want me to save it or get him up? Face roll.
Oh, get him up too.
Shield off. Shank
He's
shot.
up. Yeah, clamp these odds. Oh my god.
Someone just interrupted
yeah,
him.
it moved it. There's fire callers still here.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hit a blast coming up. If you have deterrence, use it.
Shield's going down.
This bitch is about to die. Get ready to clean up bats.
Shield off. Need the shield up. Thank you.
Alright. Good job. Kill all these ads that are up.
Fire callers.
Spread out, spread out, spread. Get towards the diamond if you're ranged or healer. Make sure we're putting these melts as far back as we can. Ah, fuck. Use lock rocks, guys. Okay, let's lust.
Security guards, please.
5,
Melee.
I'm finishing up this fire caller and I'll get on security.
1.
Lock rocks, please, don't die.
Yeah, Grasso, where are you?
Make sure you're putting these melts back as far as we can. That's a bad melt, whoever had that one.
4, 3,
Okay, you gotta move range. Can you move the boss a little bit?
Yeah.
Do you know if you can get it back as far as you can?
Oh shit, Mel's on the right corner.
Replacement, Bryce.
Chicken globe. If you can move the boss like towards the door more.
Sure.
We're in the lower.
Keep moving.
A little bit more if you can.
Yeah, we can keep
That's,
moving.
that should be good.
Okay.
Any personals you guys have to reduce damage?
No, tell me to get out of your range.
Alright, if you can move just
Moving,
a little bit
boss.
more. Thank you. Keep it up, guys.
We got it.
Keep it up.
And ain't over till the fat lady sings. Sorry, we're kind of constantly moving. Just kind of scooting along.
Black rocks if you still have them.
I'm out of cooldowns, so gonna need one. Thank you. We're moving along.
Just wipe it up.
All right, yeah.
That's two one-shots in a row, guys. Two
IRL
one-shot
by
weeks. Alright, there's the
Wow,
crossbow.
double crossbow. Damn, one Warforged.
Protector. Oh my god.
Conquered.
I will suck someone's dick for those pants.
No.
Well, we're
Not
all
if I-
rolling
Not
now.
if I suck their dick first.